Hey guys, Mike here from LV Music School. In this video, we're going to go over how to play Californication by the Red Hot Chili Peppers. First little motif that we have is this here. So these two shapes, the first one is actually based off of an A minor chord. And then the other shape based off of an F chord. So if it helps you at all, the first riff actually goes open A, 2 on the D, open B, and then 1 on the B. If you want to make the full A minor open chord shape, same thing with the next shape here. It's 1, 3, open 2, E, A, and G string. Like that right there. If you want to keep that bar shape, totally fine. Me personally, I don't make the open chord shape or the bar chord shape. I just do this. But either way is totally fine as long as you get those notes out. You're in total good shape. So A, open A, 2 in the D, open B, 1 on the B, 1, 3, E and A, open 2 in the G. And that is the verse. So at the end of each verse, every 4 bars or 8 bars, depending on which verse it is, I believe it's 4 bars, you're gonna play this pattern here. You're gonna play C, G, F, D minor. If you wanna use open chords, that's totally fine too. Totally fine, but it just does that once. It's like a little transition for the lyrics to kind of breathe a little bit. Now the next part is a pre-chorus. The 2 chords that you're gonna be playing basically back to back are gonna be A minor and F. First, you can use your A minor open chord. For the next shape, you can use kind of a variation of an F on a full bar chord. You can use what we call an F major 7. 3rd fret on your D string, 2nd fret on your G, 1st fret on your B string, and then open E string. Okay, so chorus land. First chord's a C. You can use a C bar or C open chord if you want, or a bar chord. Next chord's a G chord. You can use a G bar chord or G open chord. Next chord's D minor. And the last chord is A minor. Okay, last part is a guitar solo. So right there I get 10 on the B string, 9 on the E string. We're gonna take the 11th fret on the G and bend it up to 12 or bend it up a half step. The actual pitch you'll be hitting is if you were hitting the 12th fret on the G string. All right. So do it again. Check this out. So in the G string, we have 11, 11, 11, 11, 9, 11, 11 on the D string, 9, 11, 9, and then back to the 11 on the G string, and bend it up again to the 12. So the next phrase is going to be the exact same thing, except the last note, we're going to take the 14th fret on the E string and bend it up a whole step. Last little run, one of the last little runs here. "17, 16, 14, 17, 14, 16 on the G, 14 on the G." Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little bit of a bend. You're gonna take the 16th fret on the G string while holding down the 14th fret on the B string and strike them both, bend the G up, but keep the B where it is. So very, very loud phrase here. So the whole solo. Same phrase. One.
Psychic spies from China try to steal your mind's elation, and little girls from Sweden dream of silver screen quotation. And if you want these kind of dreams, it's Californication. It's the edge of the world in all of Western civilization. The sun may rise in the east, at least it's settled in a final location. It's understood that Hollywood sells Californication. Hey, your surgeon very well to break the spell of aging. Celebrity skin, is this your gender? Is that war you're waging? Firstborn unicorn, hardcore softcore. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Marry my girl, be my ferry to the world, be my very own constellation. A teenage bride with a baby inside, getting high on information. And buy me a star on the boulevard, it's Californication. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. In Cobain, can you hear the spheres singing songs off station to station? And Alderon's not far away, it's Californication. Born and raised by those who praise control of population. Every An earthquake's out to a girl's guitar, that's just another good vibration. And tidal waves couldn't save the world from Californication. Hey, I served very well to break the spell of aging. Sicker than the rest, there is no test, but this is what you're craving. Firstborn unicorn, hardcore softcore. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please follow along. We definitely got more videos coming out, and we'll see you in the next one.